You are driving along, maybe trying to merge onto a fast-moving highway, when suddenly your engine loses all its punch, the car enters a restrictive limp mode, or worse, it just flat-out refuses to start at all. When you hook up your diagnostic tool and see the rare code P0003, your vehicle is warning you that the fuel volume regulator control circuit is reading much lower than it should. This code is most common on high-pressure fuel systems like common rail diesel engines or modern gasoline direct injection setups, which we call GDI. In these high-tech systems, your standard fuel pump in the tank is only the first step. It sends fuel up to a specialized high-pressure pump mounted right on the engine. This pump has a critical gatekeeper called the fuel volume regulator solenoid, which is a two-wire device controlled directly by the engine brain to manage exactly how much fuel is being rammed into the fuel rail for the injectors. When the computer sees an electrical value in the circuit that is below the normal operating range, it loses control over that high-pressure fuel, which is why your performance completely vanishes. This is a serious situation because a high-pressure fuel system is under thousands of pounds of pressure, and an electrical malfunction can lead to severe engine bucking or a total shutdown. Before you start unbolting expensive pumps, you absolutely must check for any technical service bulletins for your specific Ford, Dodge, or Volkswagen, because these regulators are known to have specific failure patterns that the manufacturers have documented. Your first diagnostic move should be a thorough visual inspection of the wiring harness leading to the regulator solenoid. These wires are often tucked in tight spots where they can vibrate against the engine block or get soaked in oil and grime, leading to shorts and corrosion. Pull the connector apart and look for bent pins or that nasty green tint that tells you moisture has moved in. Here is a massive safety warning for you. Never ever apply direct 12-volt battery power to these regulator wires to test them, because you can easily fry the internal solenoid or even the engine computer itself. Instead, use your digital multimeter to check for continuity and proper resistance according to your factory service manual. If the wiring and connections look like $1 million, the internal coil of the fuel volume regulator has likely failed, or you might be looking at a bad computer, although that is much less likely. Finding a simple frayed wire in the harness is always a huge relief compared to the cost of a new high-pressure pump, so take your time and follow the circuit back to the source to get your fuel pressure back where it belongs.